Hello guys, welcome to a very new session in the video series. In this video, we will know more details if you want to become a design engineer in automotive industry, or if you wish to start your career as a design engineer in automotive industry, which CAD software you should learn. First, let us understand which CAD softwares are used in automotive industry. A vehicle has a different segments. It is also called as a domains. Now, based on the capability of the CAD software, the CAD softwares are being selected for designing a specific domain. So let us see one by one. For designing a lighting system, CATIA V5 and NX is used. For designing exterior trims, now what is exterior trims? It includes the entire vehicle body. It is a sheet metal part. It includes the door panel, it includes the tailgate, it includes the bumper. So all this is designing CATIA V5. Coming to the next segment, interior trims. Now, interior trims includes the plastic parts, door trim, instrumental panel, dashboard, console, and internal part of tailgate. So all this is designing CATIA V5 elements. The next segment, BIW. It is the entire sheet metal part. Again, it is designing CATIA V5 for NX. Coming to the seating system. Now, seating system includes sheet metal domain, plastic domain, and foam domain. All these things are been designed in CATIA V5 and NX. Exhaust system. Exhaust system is again designed in CATIA V5 and NX. Chassis required a solid modeling, so it is Creo and SolidWorks or Solid Edge used for designing chassis. HVAC, that is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Again, uses CATIA V5 and NX for designing HVAC. Wiring harness, almost all the softwares has this features, workbench to design wiring harness like CATIA, NX, Creo, SolidWorks, Solid Edge. Powertrain and engine, they required solid modeling tool. So Creo, SolidWorks, and Solid Edge are the CAD softwares used for designing the engine and powertrain. So these are the different domains or different segments of a vehicle, and these are the different softwares used to design the specific domains. Now the question arises, which software I should learn? So let us see. CATIA and NX, they are designing around 80% of the vehicle, and Creo, Solid and Solid Edge, around 20% of the vehicle. So when the question arises, CATIA and NX, these are the two softwares should be in the list if you really want to become a design engineer and start your career to automotive industry. Now why CATIA and NX? First reason, as I told you, 80% of the vehicle is designed in CATIA or NX. Second reason, industry keeps on doing design updation in body, interior trims, seating systems. So there is a continuous flow of new projects, resulting in high demands of engineers. Third reason, both the softwares has advanced workbench that is surfacing. Now it is not only used by automotive industry, but it is also used by aviation industry, shipbuilding industry, home appliances industry. So you have an opportunity to work with all this industry, and these are growing industry. The last and very important reason, a high salary growth. Okay, so you get a good salary when you work on CATIA V5 or NX. The next question arises: which software I should select out of CATIA V5 or NX? So my choice will be CATIA V5. Now, why it is recommended? Because 70% of the automotive industry are using CATIA V5. Okay. I hope this question is very clear. If you want to become a design engineer or if you want to start your career in design in automotive industry, CATIA V5 is a very good tool, very good CAD software with a lot of advanced features that is used in automotive industry. So if you learn this, if you master this, definitely you will be starting your career as a design engineer in automotive industry. Okay. Now, once you have selected the software, one more question arises. Learning and mastering design skills. What should I learn in CATIA V5 or how to master design skills in CATIA V5? Let us talk about this in coming video. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.